Hello friends, today we are going to learn The Boy Who Broke the Bank chapter, chit chat section. See, in that section we have to go some questions and you have to give the answer regarding the questions. See, first question is given as a lie can run around the world before truth has got its boots on. The above quotation express how fast rumors spread. Yes, because we know that you can talk these questions or this activity with your group about some of the recent rumors when people believed at first and suffered for it later. You can also discuss how one can decide whether some news is fact or a fake. Who do you think they are responsible for spreading this false news? And that's we are also got various news regarding the coronavirus, about how he spread and what the things happened after the person got coronavirus. And in this way various rumors, various fake products was available in the market for making the sake of money only. Do you believe in all the news that you come across? You have to give some answers regarding this. And if you have any example or rumors seemed to be the fact in the beginning or later it was a fake or false, how you have to decide this. See, when we try to see the any news or any content, especially on the WhatsApp, there is lots of rumors are been spread for the people for the sake of only enjoyment also, that are too unethical for the spreading purpose. Okay, if you got any type of the rumors or fake news, how you have to decide, or how you decide that this news is fake and this news is a good one, like this way. So the points you remember, like find if it is a reliable or a believable, if it has any rational explanation, if it stands to your reason, or consider it fake or untrue. Common sense can lead us to facts. Okay, and then next you think like, who do you think they are responsible for the spreading of this false news? Fake news are spread by some loafers or idle people, or some like loafers. Some spread false news for passing their time, some just for enjoying the fun, some taking revenge and harassing the few targeted person in that like way. The next question is given like, do you believe in all the news you come across? No can use the common sense reasoning and its reliability like this way. The next one is like, give one example of a rumor. I had already stated the rumor like coronavirus spread from the blood also in this way, or the person by just talking with that person coronavirus spread like this way. If you got the mouth spread, that points, or the you have touched any points regarding the person passes there, there were so many theories or so many facts and figures are given by the government also, but you have to believe only in government what's the true and what's the false also. See, read and use the following statements, describe whether they are facts or rumors and justify your decision. See, here are various statements are given, and the facts and the rumors and the explanations are have to fill. First one is, cow gives birth to calf. What do you think? Is it true fact or a rumor? It is a fact, because cow gives birth to a calf. It is a natural phenomenon. It is a natural phenomenon, which is a true one. You can write is like a natural phenomenon. Okay. Then next question is given as, in 2025 the sun will swallow the earth. In this, the rumors are spread because it is not scientifically correct. It is not scientifically correct. If you want to make something correct scientifically, you have to have some the proof regarding that. The third statement is given as you receive a message that you have won rupees of 5 crores in a lottery. So see, in these days the people don't want to give a single second to the other person, and anyone can give you a 5 crores in the lottery. Do you think this will be happen? Truly this will not going to happen. This is only a rumor to spread such a negative or a spread a virus in your phone, and they want to steal money from your ATM cards or from your bank's accounts in this way that they post your such type of messages. Explanation is given like if the message is not from the authority message is required, authority will not give you a single 1 rupees extra. They will always calculate that you have this type of money in your account, it is a saving account or anything, or you are invested in a other field, like this way. See, the fourth question is given like bees beat their wings 270 times in a second. Is it true or false? It is a true, because it is a scientifically proven that bees beat their wings 270 times in a second. Then the next question is given like fifth question. Many ships, what is that? Many ships and aeroplanes have disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle. Is it true or false? It is a true, because it happened, and it has a various proof in the newspaper also. The sixth question is given like driverless cars are no more a dream. It is a true, it is a fact, because trials are being made to make various driverless cars, because to avoid such a accident or such a use by running the car out of the speed, and like in this way robbery, the pay various on the spot happens, and for that purpose driverless cars are no more dreams for now, because the trials are already started. The seventh question is given as Sophia is the world's first robot citizen, and it is a true, because it is a proven fact, and trials had proven facts. The next question is ghosts dwell in banyan trees. Is it true? No, not scientifically proven the things, because you can write that not a scientifically proven fact. This is like rumor. The next question is given as do not step out on a new moon day. Do not step out on a new moon day. And the fact is like dash, and the rumor is like correct one, and this is not do not step out on a new moon day. It is not true. It is a superstition given by the people for just sake of their any thing, for the sake of fear in the people. The second question sentence is given as aliens will conquer the earth. Aliens will conquer the earth. Is it true or false? It is a true rumor. Imagination not confirmed. Imagination not confirmed. In this way we learn some of the statements, how to identify that statements are true or rumors only. In our very next video, we will learn the story, The Boy Who Broke the Bank, and various points regarding the stories are for various good purpose and various interesting things we have to learn from this story also. So let's see in the next video. Bye.